Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to unlock and build the World Tree Relic inside of Subnautica 2. It's an alien Axum relic that is a replica of the giant world tree that you see on the horizon inside of Subnautica 2, and it's relatively easy to unlock at the beginning of the game. So in order to unlock the blueprint for the World Tree Relic, all you have to do is scan the original World Tree Relic, which can be found in the broken up ruins of Camp 1. And that's kind of to the northeast, around 30 to northeast on your compass if you just want to cruise that direction from the Lifepod. It'll take you right past this angel comb that allows you to digest things in the local environment, and you're just looking for this glowing wreckage right here, and the World Tree Relic is just beneath the poster in this back detached room, so you can just cruise all the way back to the end here, park by this entrance, and then you can just scoot in here. You'll need your scanner out, and then right back here beneath the World Tree blueprint, or for the poster, is the World Tree Relic itself. So just give that bad boy a scan, and that should unlock your ability to now craft the World Tree Relic. I'm currently in creative, so it doesn't pop up the same for me, but you can also grab the poster for the World Tree. It's right there on the wall, and you've got both to create your perfect little altarpiece for the World Tree. And then as far as constructing the World Tree Relic goes, it's relatively inexpensive. It just requires 1 piece of glass and 2 copper in order to craft it, and you can put it pretty much anywhere, although as of yet you can't like put it on a table or anything to make like your perfect World Tree altar. But you can like stick it over in the back corner here and then stick like a World Tree poster behind it, which is down here at the bottom. We can just slap that up on the wall and boom. We've got our World Tree corner. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you unlock the World Tree Relic so that you can build it inside of your base. It's a relatively early in-game item to get, but I actually kind of like it. It looks just like it did inside of the trailer for the game before it came out into early access. So I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.